What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this video, I will teach you how to get more tranquil and corrupt fruit. It's unlimited, so you can try it. Just follow the steps. You will get infinite tranquil and corrupt fruit. It's also a best way to get those mutations. These are requirements for completing the task for the kitsune, for the corrupted kitsunes. This is best ways to farm tranquils without wasting time of waiting these Zen events, which is 60 minutes. That's not essential for that. Just only teach you what you can grind just small time. I'm grinding 5 hours and I get crate kitsune's crates per chest in just 5 hours. I get 3 kitsunes right here. Just grinding 5 hours. Let's go guard. So try it before it patch. So you need to plant Serenity, which is claimable from claimable from this Zen shop. This 25% chance to get this Serenity plant. So, yes, that's a starter pack, and you need to equip Kodama, 3 ordinary Kodama and 3 corrupted Kodama. You can buy for corrupted Kodama and from other persons or players, just to make sure you don't scam. There are so many scammers in this game. And yes, finally, I will show you the house OP overpowered pets. Ready to abuse it? Let's go. I will sell the. This is the easiest way to farm. Let's go. You can see that, guys. It's unlimited tranquility. Corrupt. It's like 50% you get tranquil and corrupt fruit from the Serenity. And also the Serenity is fast growing fruit flower, which is good for farming. Yeah, snakes, berries, strawberries. It's good for farming. So I get this corrupted. I get almost. Oh, look at that corrupted. It's so OP, man. Yo, so OP. You can try it, guys. You can grind and you can get 200 plus Zen 3 in just 5 hours doing that method. Hopefully it helps, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe, like, comment below if you want this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.